Hello everyone, today I'm going to showcase you how to use UiPath Computer Vision to extract data from PDF. Okay, and I'm just going to show you what is the how the PDF file looks like. This is the PDF file you can see over here. Okay, and this is one of the file which I downloaded from one of the projects from UiPath Studio itself from the UiPath community. Okay, so you can use this PDF file just to test the data. Okay. Okay, so you can see over here, this is a main workflow. So before using computer vision, we need to download some of the packages. For example, if you look into over here is like this one, UiPath Computer Vision Local Server, right? So this I already downloaded, but you need to download this package that is UiPath Computer Vision Local Server. Okay, now I'm just going to open the PDF file. And in this PDF file, I'm just going to give the path of PDF file. Okay. Now the second thing is like we are going to use a computer vision activity. So there is a CV screen scope, that is a computer vision screen scope. We need to use this. Basically, this is used to, extract the data using the computer vision. So whenever we need to use a computer vision activity, we need to make sure like those activities should be under the CV screen scope. Okay, so let me open this PDF file. Okay, now I'm just going to select this PDF file. Okay, we need to be careful with the the selectors. Okay, so using computer vision, we have selected the PDF file to extract the data. And over here you can see the API key. So whenever if you are using the computer vision community versions, right, and you must have the cloud versions of orchestrator that has a compute and that has a community, you will be able to get the APIs key. So for me, if you look over here, whenever you are going to log in on this cloud UiPath, you're going to click on licenses and robot services. You are going to copy this computer vision. Okay, and I'm just going to paste it over here in double quotes. Okay, now when we are reading data from PDF, so we want to extract particular data. So in this demo, I'm just going to showcase you how to extract data from a table from one of the PDF. Okay, so we are going to extract this data. So over here, I'm just going to use a CV extract table. So CV extract table, it is you can say it's used to extract the data table from a PDF or any data format, can be the documents as well if computer vision work on that. But over here I'm just considering the PDF. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so selectors is working fine over here. The important thing is that guys, you need to careful with these stuff, right, in this activity. Okay, and this is a descriptor, right, and this is a target table. This is one of the internal whenever we select the stuff from using computer vision, these values are being updated automatically. Okay, now since this is a data table, it is going to return the data table itself. So we need to create one variable. Okay, and we can say it's dt, it can be dt extract. Okay, Now, I also may need to update the scope as well. Okay. Now we need to, write the data in Excel, right? So I'm just going to copy over here and I'm just going to paste the path of the file where the data will be written. I'm going to write right range. Okay, and it should be the DT extract with the add headers. Okay, so we are over here, what we are doing, we are reading the data table from the PDF file and writing it back to the Excel file. Okay, now just going to close this. Okay, just for us if okay, and now what we need to do is we are opening the PDF file. Just for a safer side, we can place some delays. It's delayed, it should be like, just for a safer side, make it 2. Okay, now let's see how it goes then, right? So bot has opened the PDF file. Bot has written the Excel file. If I click over here, you can see it's a test file has been created and you can see the data has been written properly, right? So this is how the output file looks like when a data has been written. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please hit like button of this video and click subscribe button of this channel so that you will get notification whenever new videos being uploaded on this channel. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.